Saudi Aramco, Scaffolding. Apply the following minimum administrative requirements for the safe design, erection, supervision, inspection, use, tagging, alteration, and dismantling of personal access scaffolds. Safety-related technical requirements for personal access scaffolds and scaffolding used for shoring of concrete formwork are provided in applicable Saudi Aramco requirements. When scaffolds are required, they must be properly designed, erected, and inspected by certified supervisors inspectors using the appropriate inspection checklist. Refer to Table 5 for a summary of requirements. Prior to scaffold erection, survey the job site and take measures to remove or control potential hazards such as debris, overhead power lines, electrical cables, excavations, etc. Inspect scaffold materials before, during, and after erection to make sure they meet all Saudi Aramco requirements, are in good condition, and are free of defects. Mark any component that does not meet the applicable Saudi Aramco standard with fluorescent orange paint and remove the item from the job site. Erect, alter, and dismantle all scaffolds under the direction of an on-site certified scaffold supervisor. Use PPE, including a personal fall arrest system when erecting or dismantling a scaffold. Ensure that each scaffold craftsman is wearing a full body harness with a shock-absorbing lanyard. See the fall protection safety topic. Anchor the lanyard to the scaffold only if a stronger anchorage is not available. Inspection and tagging. Provide a visible scaffold inspection tag, red, green, or yellow, continuously during the entire time the scaffold is being erected, used, or dismantled. The scaffold tag indicates the status of the scaffold. Use a red scaffold tag, only allowed by scaffold craftsmen, for the purpose of erecting, altering, or dismantling scaffolding. Mark any scaffold that contains platforms that physically cannot be completely erected per Saudi Aramco requirements with a signed yellow scaffold tag. A yellow tag indicates the need for personal fall arrest systems when accessing this scaffold. This does not apply to a scaffold that is missing components required for structural stability, example, bearers, runners, posts, or braces. Do not use a scaffold until it has been successfully inspected and tagged by the responsible scaffold supervisor and scaffold inspector, for scaffolds over 6 m, 20 feet, tall and special scaffolds. Ensure the scaffold is inspected every 2 weeks. Maintain completed scaffold field inspection checklists on file until the scaffold is dismantled. Do not remove red scaffold tags and use elsewhere prior to dismantling the scaffold they are attached to. Do not reuse green and yellow scaffold tags, example, do not erase or white out signatures, inspection dates, etc.